Now, this call that you referred to.
I don't see a call here, Chair.
On page 19 of your supplementary statement and paragraph 57, this is what you say. I wish to clarify and supplement paragraph 76 of my main statement and place it on record that after verifying the details, I can confirm that I received a call from Lieutenant General Nkwenazi on 1 October 2024 and not 30 September 2024. That's the correction that you made. This call was received while I was accompanying the minister on the first visit to Lusikisiki in relation to the killings that had occurred in the area.
Yes.
So we are now referring you to this WhatsApp. Yeah. Which is also referred to at paragraph 77 of your main statement. Where you say Lieutenant General Nkwenazi sent me a WhatsApp text during our telephonic conversation. That's the one you referred to on 1 October, in relation to an occurrence book that he had received from Brown Mogotsi about interference by Lieutenant General Nkwenazi during an arrest of a senior correctional services commissioner who was found allegedly in possession of drugs. Lieutenant General Nkwenazi said that Brown Mogotsi indicated to him that he knows the minister. Lieutenant General Nkwenazi wanted to know who Brown Mogotsi is and whether he knew the minister. So if you go back to the bundle, MK17, you'll see on page 313, that's an extract from the occurrence book. And then there's this exchange, and these WhatsApps are then copied to you in the middle of the page. The minister is brief. He has just arrived in Lusikisiki. And on the following page, 315, my General Brown Mogotsi from the Northwest, an internal attempt to discredit you through defeating the end case. Morning, sir. What are you talking about? What defeating case are you referring to, and who is behind that? Do you want to comment on that?
Yes, I see conversation here between two people.
Yeah.
Who are these people? I'm not sure. Who are these people talking
And then
here?
at paragraph 78, your narrative goes on to, I confirmed that I knew who Brown Mogotsi was and that the minister too knew Brown Mogotsi from Northwest. Lieutenant General Nkwenazi sent Brown Mogotsi's number to me and I confirmed that it was indeed Brown Mogotsi's number. I never referred to Brown Mogotsi as a close associate, quote unquote, of the minister, as was described by Lieutenant General Nkwenazi during the meeting of 5 March 2025. That's the portfolio